The second part of the process is called discovery. Once you have a statement or an affirmation statement, the next step is to test that statement and to find out exactly where the statement comes from. So discovery is when we start muscle testing the body at the point to where they say, I don't know, remember? That's the point at which the muscle testing becomes crucial. The body will begin to give us answers about why and why not. In the person's mind, when they see their muscle going weak, and they feel their muscle going weak, it sends a message to the brain and to the emotions and to the unconscious or the subconscious that I'm lying to myself, or I'm not truthful with myself, or I'm wasting my time doing things that before I thought could be done. This is a very powerful transformation for most people. And if you can experience this yourself, have a partner work with you, and go through this process, you'll find that there are a lot of things in your life that you thought were true. There are a lot of thoughts and ideas, dreams, and affirmations that you thought you were right on target with that turn out to be false. Through the discovery process, you can determine this is true or this is not true. And it's not necessarily true on an absolute level, because there's no such thing as absolute truth. What we are discovering, is it true for you or not true for you? And if that is the case, it's going to save you a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of heartaches, headaches, and efforts and frustrations later on. So discover exactly what it is that you want by using that process of muscle testing and refining. Asking, well, I can make money. You can go back to the previous example. I'm worth a certain amount of money. Or I can accept gifts and money. Or I can accept a certain amount of money. I've even refined it to where the certain amount of money can be reached. We can actually measure the levels at which you can accept, at which you can earn, at what you think you're worth. And so you can set levels. And you can go through this process, and you could repeat the process to get to that level to where you feel comfortable accepting or earning, and then you can up that process. And when the affirmation becomes true to where you feel it inside and your body is saying yes, you can go as far as you want.